हाय एवरीवन, दिस इज अक्षय एंड यू आर वाचिंग प्रोजेक्ट गुरु। आज की इस वीडियो में हम लोग बात करने वाले हैं अबाउट ऑल द फ्री रिसोर्सेज दैट यू कैन यूज टू लर्न एसक्यूएल फॉर डेटा एनालिटिक्स एंड दैट टू इन अ शॉर्टर पीरियड ऑफ टाइम। मैंने एसक्यूएल सीखा था इन अबाउट 15 days एंड आई एम प्रीटी श्योर विद द टिप्स एंड ट्रिक्स दैट आई विल शेयर यू कैन लर्न एसक्यूएल क्विकली एज वेल। आगे बढ़ने से पहले जस्ट वांट टू टेल यू दैट दिस वीडियो विल बी अ पार्ट ऑफ सीरीज जिसमें आई विल शेयर अबाउट ऑल द फ्री रिसोर्सेज that you can use to learn data analyst tools such as Power BI and Tableau. But this video is totally dedicated to SQL, so without wasting any time, let us start this video after this short channel intro. Well, data analytics के लिए SQL बहुत जरूरी है. So if you want to switch to data analyst or data science, this is one of the key skills that you need to master. And to master it, you need to clear your basics, and for that, मैंने दो YouTube videos को follow किया था. Where first one was SQL for Data Analytics by IntelliPath, and this video was for about 4.5 hours. And the second video which I followed was Complete SQL by Azureka, and this one was for about 10 hours. But सिर्फ वीडियो देखना is never enough, and to practice it, I went to W3 schools. So I tried solving SQL queries on it, and it was way too easy for me. What I personally feel is if you try something very complicated, then unsuccessful होने पर it shatters your confidence, especially if you are a beginner. But just because I was able to solve each and every query, it really boosted my confidence and my interest in SQL as well. So if you are a beginner as well, you should follow this platform. And once मेरे basics clear हो गए, I went to SQL online practice, जिसका link मैं description box में provide करवा दूंगा. I have practiced from easy to tough level, and I can say that this is one of the best platforms that I have used for SQL ever in my life. And I will for sure recommend this to each and every individual who want to learn SQL. So this is how I got better into SQL, but I wanted to be the best. So I chose one of the most common platform called HackerRank, and guys, I have completed each and every query ever listed on this platform. So that was it for me. But if you want to practice even more, you may refer to Geeks for Geeks as well. So that was my story of SQL, and I'm pretty confident if you will go this way, you will learn SQL in the fastest way. Coming to those who say can age or school college gap affect your career in data analyst, so the answer is no. There is no age limit for data analyst, but nothing works immediately. So you have to give your best each and every single day. If you still feel things are complicated for you and you want me to make a dedicated video on SQL beginner to advanced, then let me know in the comment box and I'll surely make a video on that as well. So that's it from this video, guys. I hope it answered your question on how to approach SQL. So if you liked the video, kindly give it a thumbs up, share it with your friends, and forget not to subscribe to my channel. This is Akshay signing off.